Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a affordable makeup haul. I have a couple of products that I've been gathering throughout the past couple of weeks and I haven't gotten around to trying anything out. So I figured let me just film a little video showing you guys what I got and then I can start dipping my fingers in and swatching and touching and using things for you. So the first two products my best friend sent me in a little care package along with other things, but this is just the makeup portion of what she sent me. The first thing is from Lorac. This is a Rachel Zoe times Lorac Hollywood Glamour Mini Palette. I don't keep up with Lorac. I have two of their palettes, one which she sent me a long time ago, and I don't know, I just haven't really kept up with them, but I do like the stuff I previously owned. So I'm really excited about this palette. Look how cute and little it is. I like the little zebra print, but the colors in here are so sparkly and pretty, and yeah, I'm just really excited. All she said to me was, I got you something really sparkly, and that's all I ever need to hear. I love anything glittery and sparkly, but with this I can't create a full look. I like mattes with my palettes in order to create a look, but I will test this out and I'll test it out and I'll film it a little video for you guys, and everything should be eye safe. It doesn't say, yep, because the glitter is in here. So with this one, it looks really chunky and glittery where you're not sure if it's safe for the eyes, but it doesn't say you can't use it on the eyes. I'll do a little research before, but I'm really excited. It's just so pretty and so sparkly. And the next thing that she sent me is this Maybelline Master Camo color corrector. This is an apricot. I know they have 3 shades. Every time I went to the store looking for this because I wanted to pick up a new color corrector because the one that I had from LA Girl, I'm pretty sure it's expired, so I kind of tried pushing that aside. I didn't want to use it because it's been so old. So I'm glad that I got a new one. So yeah, really excited. It's always sold out, so I'm hoping it's because it's so good. So yeah. Okay, so moving on, I also picked this up a little while ago. I showed this to you guys in one of my chit chat videos. This is from ColourPop. This is their Glitterly Obsessed Body Glitter. I've really been enjoying ColourPop products, and I've been wanting to try their Glitterly Obsessed glitters for such a long time, but I like seeing things and touching things in person. So I was glad that I got around to doing this, and I think I got the last one in my area. So it has like a really wet, squishy feeling, and this is what it looks like. It is just beautiful, chunky glitter, and there are little hearts in here too that you're probably not going to be able to see on camera, but there's a little heart there. But yeah, I'm really excited to trying this out. I just want to make sure I close it so it doesn't dry out. But this I think was only $8, and I called them one morning just to ask them if they could place it on hold for me because they said there was only one left. So I was really glad that I got my hands on it. I finally got my hands on another one of these NYX glitter primers. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you know how much I love this stuff. I use it for everything pretty much. It's just such a good product. So the first one that I had, it broke, the top part just broke off completely. So I had to dump it out into this little container, and I think with it being in this container, it dried it out. So it was just getting to the end. So now I can just toss this and I can start using this. But I really love using this for glitters, and I like applying a very small amount to my inner tear duct just to make my inner tear duct shadows pop a little more. It's just a really good trick and tip. So the next couple of products I picked up from Marshall's, and this is the first one that I got. I actually didn't even open it yet. This is from Makeup Revolution, and this was $2.99. I'm just going to open this. And it is the Dragon's Blood Liquid Highlighter. It is just such a pretty pink liquid highlighter. So I'm just going to, actually let's put like a decent amount so you guys can really see what it looks like. I love pink highlighters. So that's what it looks like. Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah, that's actually really, really nice. All right, I'm going to test this out and see how it goes. And this is the other product that I picked up. This is from Makeup Revolution, the Reloaded Neutrals 3 palette. The colors in here just look really, really nice. I have one of their other palettes and it's supposed to be a dupe for the Anastasia Soft Glam. And I don't have any issues with the formula. Everything blends out really nice. It's pretty pigmented. So for $3.99, I figured it was worth trying out. I think these are normally $8, so it was 50% off. So yeah. And the last product that I picked up is also from Makeup Revolution. This is a Soph X palette. This was $5.99. I actually didn't get a chance to open it. There were none that were opened, but I know they made her collections permanent. And I'm just gonna open it right now. But yeah, I heard that they made her collections permanent. And I know she also has a highlighter, and I think there are 2 of these palettes. So based off of the little colors that they show you here, it doesn't look like this is something I would normally gravitate towards and pick up. But for $6, I figured why not test it out. There were a lot of really, really good reviews online about it. So we got our hands on it. So this is what it looks like. Please don't be broken. Please don't be broken. Okay, it's not broken. Wait, let me, wait, it is broken. Ugh, okay, so the palette itself is broken. I'm gonna see if I can swap it out, but the shadows look really nice. Let me try to show you what it looks like. The colors actually look really, really nice. There's a solid amount of mattes, and then there are a bunch of shimmer tones. So yeah, I'm gonna see if we can swap this out for one that's not cracked, because it's not going to close properly. Well, actually, it closes. I'm just scared that I'm gonna break this. Okay, we're almost done. The next 2 products I picked up are 2 eyeliners from NYX. I got the Matte Liquid Liner and then the Epic Ink Liner. So really, really quick backstory. I have tried the Epic Ink Liner before and it bled. I didn't have a good experience, but going online, everyone's eyeliner that I saw, and they always said that they were using this. And then a couple of people have also addressed them just having all the issues that I was having, and they said that it's kind of a hit or miss. So I wanted to try it out again to see if maybe I get a good batch, and if I have a bad experience again, that is it. I'm writing this eyeliner off. But this eyeliner I've been using and I just finished, so I needed to replace it. I was only going to pick this one up first, but I figured let me just get this one just in case this one fails me and I don't have a chance to run to the store to get a backup. So wish me luck on this one. And the last product I picked up, oh my God, I'm so excited about this palette. You guys know I love her first one, and I'm just really, really excited about this one. The colors are beautiful. I swatched as many shadows as I possibly could in the limited amount of time that I was in the store, but it's just the palette's just really, really pretty. The colors are beautiful. I It's just so pretty. It's just seriously so pretty. I wanted to get my hands on this early-ish, not super early, but early-ish, because the first palette I got, I waited almost a year to get my hands on it, and it is still hands down one of my favorite palettes. So I will absolutely be doing a first impression tutorial with this, and I want to test this out and just really use all the shadows in here. I'm really excited. I'm hoping that the purples are going to blend and go on really well, but those reds, yeah, I'm super excited about those reds. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.